ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Presiden Kaseng Kongres ubah Vincent H. Pala ulakam ba Kaseng Kongres kandang yo ya ka jingjop ka babun pa nya po ka yeng dor bar thau an ka ban riu phongot ki dikhot ha ka election arajar arpulai namar ba ka party kala pen khlan biang ya ki snat rekam ha ki district ki circle bat ha ki unit ha ka jing ekran ba ka Batisi TV ubah Vincent H. Pala ulakam ru ba ka jing phet seng jong ki khat arngot ki MLA ki belalej pneso Shaka All India Trinamool Congress Kana amdan jingta setiai Kaseng Kongres hakni kinti namarba kumba kalong menta marsiteng naki menteri kesorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kidai ki dikhot berem jam Kaseng Kongres kibalami no anak parti haswa ke election kebala long house nam arhajar khatpra.
As of now, I think almost all the blocks we have finalized the party workers in 60 blocks, and in the meantime the identifications of candidates is on, so I am sure that we should do well, and we also planning to have a meeting on the 15th to finalize the office bearers of the MPCC, like the executive members, the vice president of the parties, the district presidents, for example like Eastern West district, there we have to finalize the district presidents, the block presidents and others. So also like in other districts which they have left the party, for the block level it's the MPCC who will be appointing the block president, but for the district level we have to send to the ICC. So we are sitting on the 15th to finalize all those. Hopefully within this month, our office will be equipped with all the executive members of the state as well as the districts and the blocks. And in the meantime, the Youth Congress elections is already over. Now they are scrutinizing the names as well as some of them has a payment problem online. So they are going to rectify all those payments. So I am told that we have quite a few thousands of youth already being enrolled, and elections already over. Who should be the president? They are doing the analytic for that. So our preparation is on, and 17, 18, 19 I'll be in Garwils for visiting all the blocks in the East Garo Hills, Southwest Garo Hills, Southeast Garo Hills, Southwest Garo Hills and the North Garo Hills. So hopefully Garo Hills will visit for 10 blocks and the rest 14 blocks will visit next month. And I've already visited all the blocks in the 36 constituencies. So I think whatever we're supposed to do, we are doing in full swing. We have already set up a team for the proposal for the team for the setup for the manifesto, who should be the company on. We already set up the team, but the approval by the central, especially from the state and the central, we have to have a combined team. So we are going to send all this to the ICC and they will finalize. I am very confident the people of the state are with Congress. Only we have to give them candidates who at least they'll be comfortable, and at the same time competent candidates. Some of our candidates are still in the government job, so they have to resign. That will take some time also. So I am very sure that our preparation is much better than any other parties in terms of preparations, in terms of readiness, in terms of the quality of the candidates. So once we declare our candidates, I am very confident, and this time as a teamwork we should do better. We have decided we'll fill all the 60 seats, so no questions of compromise. We will fill all the 60 seats, and hopefully we'll give a good fight to almost all the seats we have. So far we have very good candidates. Some of them are highly educated, trained, and we are going to send a training to a few candidates for public speech, behavior, and I'm getting the assistance from the experts and even Father V.M. Thomas also, because some of our people, Father V.M. Thomas used to train the IAS, train the politicians and others. So I'm in touch with him to train our young boys and girls, not only those who are going to fight the elections, even those who are going to give a speech in public speech and all. So that all those we are preparing, and I'm in touch with them. So definitely we'll fill all the 60s and we'll train all our people. Definitely every election is a challenge, but I think it's also an opportunity for others to come in. For example, if you see half of the cabinets in this government were always in the Congress, now they are here in these governments. So if you see, be it in Meghalaya, be it in other states, 30% of the MPs in BJPs were in the Congress, were in the Youth Congress. So that's why I said last time, Congress is to train and export politicians also. And hopefully now new politicians which are going to fight elections from different parties. They were in the Congress, they'll be fighting from Trinamool, they'll be fighting from HSPTP, they'll be fighting from even UDP and NPP. I think it's a good, it will be a good results what the people will decide. But be it whatever you say, be it before, be it in the future, if you see in Meghalaya, people are always with the Congress. But the problem is amongst us only. But hopefully with Mukul left the party and other MLAs left the party, many more also are going to join in Garo Hills. I've actually got a call lots of people who left the party because of Dr. Mukul. Now they're going to join back. And I don't think that we have much problem even in Garo Hills. Once the organizational system is done in Garo Hills, I don't think that we have a problem. Certain areas had we don't get a chance or time to do, but now we have got enough time and we have got a good chance also. I don't think we should have a problem. Our preparation, I think, is much well in advance and well prepared compared to the previous elections which we fought. We should get an absolute majority, and I'm sure we'll get it. Because like I told before, the leaders may come and leave the party, but the voters this time, I think they are with the Congress. If you see, be it in the farmers, today I had a meeting with the farmers in the morning. Be it in the farmers are really fed up with the present government. Be it in the teachers, be it in the discouncils, be it in the forces, like even in the police level. I had a series of meetings with many of them. So all round, I think this government, combined with the COVID, problems in COVID, how they handle the COVID, and be it in the issues in the with the headman, how they have given the responsibilities to the local heads to handle the COVID, but the payment was not properly. So much bill pending, be it in the hotels, be it in the other payments also, so much are pending. So if you look at all those problems combined with so many scandals, be it MSCB, be it in FCI, be it in coal, be it in the teachers' salary or district council. So I think we combine with all those now, so many things are coming in JJM also. Definitely we should be able to take all these issues to the public and do well.